do you ever have fears about your marketing and how it would continue to work or not work?
I think all of us should be fearful because algorithms change. What worked 10 years ago, like a dream, just doesn't work anymore. So I think we would be amiss if we were not concerned about that. But I also think it's important, even as we advocate to our clients who are business owners predominantly, we've got a very small segment of clients that are not business owners or decision makers. I think it's important for us to be authentic with what we're putting out there. So if you are content marketing, we need to be in touch with what our communities are looking for. Our clients, we need to know who our ideal client is, for starters.
Right,
so we need to know the market that we are aiming for.
How to find them and touch them.
Exactly. To be very targeted and very specific. What are their concerns? What are their needs? We've been taught to market in a way, look at how good I am. Very selfish, actually almost narcissistic if we think about it. Whilst our clients are looking, can you help me make this easier? How difficult is it going to become? Exactly. Do you get my problem? Am I going to be able to trust you? And how do we forge that? So I think, yes, I am concerned, but I think one of the ways to make it less of a stressor to worry about is to go back to authenticity and who we are aiming to reach and what problems are we aiming to solve.